welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Alex Jean, and in today's video I am doing two braids. And usually when I put two braids in my hair, it is to get me through the week. So I use two braids in between hairstyles, whether I'm wearing clip-ins or a U-part, and this really helps with my workouts. It keeps my hair healthy. I'm in the process of trying to grow it out, so just check out the video and see what you think. If you like it and this is something that you're interested in, click in the link in the description box and we can get you two braids in your hair as well. It's really simple, easy. It takes me about 1 hour to do, start to finish, and it only stays about 7 to 10 days. Hope you enjoy.